Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the GQ Summer 2020 Best Stuff Box. Here we go.
Josh, he's unboxing things, oh Josh. He's unboxing things, oh Josh. He's unboxing things.
So as the GQ website so lovingly asks, what's in the box? It says each quarterly Best Stuff Box features a collection of GQ's favorite products, valued at $200 plus, that's $800 in value per year, and ships for free. Items in the box can include electronics, grooming products, accessories, and all of them are tested and loved by GQ editors. Subscribers receive exclusive offers and discounts from the brands featured, as well as how-to articles and tutorials to use the products. It costs $50 per quarter or $190 per year. So I just did the quarter. I'm going to see how I like it before I decide to do another quarter. I'm going to break this down in 5 categories. Some of my fans were like, you should do a rubric. And by fans, I mean my friend Christian and his girlfriend Gracie. So my rubric is 5 things I'm looking for: cool packaging, variety, the value, the quality, and how fun it is. Because opening these subscription boxes should be like a surprise, fun Christmas morning, or for me, Hanukkah evening, third night of Hanukkah, once you've already gotten the big gift and now it's stuff that you don't even know what you're gonna get. It's a great time. All right, we're gonna dive into this. So I got my handy dandy little knife, and here we go. We're opening it up. And oh, I thought it was gonna be like another box within a box. So packaging's not doing well so far. Here we go. Let's up. Oh, we got a bunch of body hair care products. We have some soap. It looks like AOS Art of Sports Rise Intensely Moisturizing Deep Cleansing Action. So I got, it looks like two bars of soap. Great. A really tiny molding paste. Oribe Luxury Molding Paste. It's super small bottle. You have a Context Vitamin C Eye Cream. I don't use eye cream, so this will be fun to try. We have, this is a Ma Palim, or I don't know how you pronounce it, but I use their face cleaner that you'll see on a future video for Birchbox. I got their face cleaner, and I use that every day. So this is a serum, and they say to do this after you wash your face, after you use a face cleaner to, I guess, hydrate your face even further. But I like their products a lot, so this is definitely high quality. We have a Method Men 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I don't use a lot of 2-in-1 products. Usually, I don't know if that's like a pretentious thing, but I always heard you're supposed to have separate products, because usually the 2-in-1s have things that are messed up. But I'll look into it. I'll look up. I've never heard of Method Men, the company, before. I have a really small box. Ooh, let's see if we have anything explaining all of this stuff. No, but this is a little box. It looks like it's going to be a little vape pen, but I know it's not. It's a little cologne thing, a really tiny cologne thing. Let's just test it out. Oh, it smells really good. It smells kind of like champagne, but it's like, I bet I could probably get I don't know, maybe 15 puffs out of it. Not very many at all. So this is the big ticket item. It's a gift card for new swim trunks. Supposedly a $95 value, it says here. The swim trunks are super cool, and I think it's supposed to be good quality. It's Bather. I've never used Bather before, but as you can see, it's a cool design. Put it here. All right, anything else? I'm wondering if we get a breakdown. Oh, it's right here at the bottom, a breakdown of all the stuff in the package. And it says prices right here, and then we're gonna fact check these prices at the end of the video. Let me just finish this up. We have a water Drench Hydrochloric Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. I have no idea what that does or means in any way, shape, or form, but it's a, I know Peter Thomas Roth, I always see this at like fancy shops, so must be good product. Again, very, very small quantity. And then we have, I think just a wash bag to carry all this stuff in. Just it's a cool design. I like the blue, very summery. Yeah, I'm not very impressed for $50 if I'm honest. It's a lot of small stuff, and like you'll see in my Birchbox video upcoming, it's $10 a month for Birchbox, and I got maybe like about half of the stuff the same size and quality for $10 for a month. So right now, I'm to be honest, I'm pretty underwhelmed. Let's see what it says. It says the swim trunks are $85. The skin firming serum is $49. I know for a fact that's not right. We're gonna do a fact check later. The scent thing is $67 for this little thing. I don't know about that. I'm gonna fact check all of these things. Right now, GQ Best Stuff Box is getting a big thumbs down from me. But we'll see. I'll test the quality. We'll see how all the things work. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video. But initial impressions are not good. Stick around and we're going to do a price check of all these items. Okay, it is time for a price check. We'll start with the Bather Swim Trunks, which on the website is $85 as listed on this GQ pamphlet. I did find similar trunks at $48 on another website. The next thing is the Mapalim Skin Firming Serum. It says $49 for 1 ounce. However, we only got half an ounce in the box. So I'm going to chop off half of that price. So online, for the amount that we got, it would be $24.50 at full, and the cheapest one that I found would be $11.50 for the amount that we got. The next is the cologne, which again I found for $67 for 10 milliliters. We got much less than that, and we got 35% of that actually. And so at full price, we got $23.45 worth of cologne, and at the lowest price I found online, it would be $14.17 worth of cologne. The next is the Peter Thomas Roth Moisturizer, which online I found to be $22, just as it's listed. So that one was right on the money. The Boarding Pass Wild Wash bag is listed for $30 here. I found it online cheapest at $20, but I also found various websites listing it at $30. Shampoo was $10, $1 less than it's listed here. The soap was about the same, $8.95, this is $9. The Hair Goop Gone Luxe was $39 for 1.7 ounces. We got 15 milliliters on that little teeny thing. So I adjusted the percentages, and for the amount of goop we got, be $27 at list price and $23.09 at the lowest price that I found. And then last but not least is the Vitamin C Eye Cream. I was able to find that cheaper than the $35. It was $24.92 on Amazon and $10 on Birchbox, though it was out of stock on Birchbox. So overall, I did the math, and at list price of the amount of everything that we got, it was $195.82. And again, I'm saying we because you're on this journey with me. And then with all the lowest price, the amount of stuff that we got was $167.71. So it's not quite $200 worth of merchandise as advertised, but for $50, the fact that we got all of this, $167 at lowest, is kind of something not to shake your head about. So overall, for packaging, I'm giving it a 0 out of 2. Nothing really impressed me, even though I opened it on the wrong side and didn't see the GQ logo on the front. Nothing interesting, nothing grabbing my attention. Variety, again, 0 out of 2, because I get that it was a beach theme, but they advertise electronics, grooming products, and accessories. You got like one accessory, but mostly grooming products, and with that, really tiny samples of grooming products. For value, I'm giving it a 1 out of 2, just because of how much money everything would have cost. However, I'm not giving it the 2 out of 2 because, again, most of the grooming products are so tiny that I'll probably use all of them within 2 weeks. Quality is a 2 out of 2 because I think everything in the bag is good. I don't know that it's worth the hubbub. And fun, 0 out of 2. I was really kind of disappointed by everything in there, and nothing was whimsical, nothing was grabbing your attention. It was just kind of boring. And overall, it's a 3 out of 10. A big do not recommend.
Josh, he's unboxing things, oh Josh. He's unboxing things, oh Josh. He's unboxing things. Wow!